Hello kids! Good day! How are you? So on this video, I will going to discuss the problem solving using a subtraction. By the way, I am your teacher, Renalyn. So kids, I think you know what is subtraction, right? So for those who are not knowing the subtraction, when we say subtraction, you are removing, or it simply means that you are taking away the number from a group. When we are subtracting, it simply means that we are reducing, or the number of the group become less. Now kids, you know what is subtraction, so let me discuss now the problem solving in subtraction. So listen to me carefully kids. I have here some example of problem solving in subtraction, so for you to be able to understand on how to solve it. Every morning we are going to the farm, and in farm we see a lot of horses there. So for today in farm, I see 10 horses. Then 5 of them are run away. So how many of them are left? Or we can say, how many horses are left? On that problem kids, let's try to solve it using a Agonsa method. So first, did you know what is Agonsa method? When we say Agonsa method kids, it is a method wherein we use it to solve a problem. In Agonsa method kids, A stands for ask. What is ask in the problem? Then next is G. G stands for given. So what is the given on the problem? And the next is O. O stands for operation. What is the mathematical operation being used in the problem? The mathematical operation used, if it is addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. The next is N. N stands for number sentence. And the next is S. S stands for solution. What is the solution on the problem? And then lastly is the A. A stands for the answer. So that's all the Agonsa method. So A is ask, G is given, O is the operation, and N is the number sentence, S is the solution, and A is the answer. So now, let's go back for the problem. In farm, I see 10 horses, and then 5 of them are run away. So how many horses are left? First thing to do, class, is ask. What is asked in the problem? So what is asked in the problem is how many horses are left. So the next is the given. So the given in that problem is I see 10 horses and 5 of them are run away. So that is the given. So next is the operation. What mathematical operation used in the problem? So the answer is subtraction, because subtraction is our topic. The next is N, the number sentence. So the number sentence in that problem is 10 minus 5. So that's it. So next is the solution. So what solution used in that problem. So, subtract 5 from 10. So, next is the answer. So, if we subtract 5 from 10, the answer will be 5. So, the horses left are 5. So, the answer is 5. Did you understand, kids? So, I have another example. CJ have 20 pieces of lollipop. And then, he gave the 7 pieces of his lollipop to his friend. So, how many pieces of lollipop did CJ have left? First thing to do, kids, is let us identify what is asked to the problem. So, in that problem, what is being asked is how many pieces of lollipop did CJ have left? So, next is the given. Let us identify what is given to the problem. So, the given to the problem is CJ have 20 pieces of lollipop. Then, he gave 7 pieces of his lollipop to his friend. So, that is the given. So, next is O, the operation. So, the operation used is the subtraction. And then next is the number sentence. So, the number sentence to that problem is 20 minus 7. For the solution is we subtract 7 from 20. So, next is the answer. If we subtract 7 from 20, what will be the answer? So, the answer is 13. The pieces of lollipop did CJ left is 13. Did you understand, kids? So, I have here also another example. I have 8 cookies. And then, after how many minutes, I ate 4 cookies. So, how many cookies did I eat? As what I've said, kids, the first thing to do is we need to identify first what is asked in the problem. So, what is being asked in the problem is how many cookies did I eat? So, that is what is being asked. And then next, we need to identify the given problem. So, the given problem is I have 8 cookies. And then, I ate 4 cookies. So, that is the given problem. And then next, what is the mathematical operation used in that problem? So, ask yourself, what is the operation used in that? So, the mathematical operation used is the subtraction. So, next is the number sentence. So, the number sentence on that problem is 8 minus 4. So, that is the number sentence. So, next is the solution. What is the solution for that problem? So, we subtract 4 from 8. So next is the answer. If we subtract 4 from 8, what will be our answer? So the answer is 4. So we can say 4 cookies is the cookies I ate. Kids, I have a question. Did you follow the flow of our Agonsa method? Here the last example for you. Alvin wants to have a picnic with his friends on their house on Tuesday. So he invited 17 of his friends. But suddenly 5 of his friends said that they cannot attend on Tuesday for their picnic because some of them are busy for their work. So, how many friends of Alvin are expected to come for their picnic on Tuesday? What is asked on that problem is how many friends of Alvin are expected to come on their picnic on Tuesday. So next is the given. So the given for that problem is 17 friends of Alvin are invited for their picnic on Tuesday, but suddenly 5 of his friends can't attend on Tuesday for their picnic. So that's the given problem. So next is the operation. So what operation used in that problem? So the operation is subtraction. So next is the number sentence. So the number sentence for that problem is 17 minus 5. So next is the solution. What is the solution for that problem? So we subtract 5 from 17. So next is the answer. So if we subtract 5 from 17, what will be our answer? Our answer will be 12. 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. So 12 of his friends of Alvin are expected to come on their picnic on Tuesday. I hope now, kids, that you understand on how to solve a problem using a Agonsa method. So here we go. I think you are also ready to answer the following activity. It will be your group activity. So please collaborate each other, okay? So here are the questions. The first question. A pet shop has 15 dogs for sale. 8 dogs are color brown and the rest dogs are color white. How many dogs are white in color? Second question. There are 25 eggs in our tray. My brother uses 5 eggs to make our breakfast. How many eggs are still remain in our tray? For the third question, in playground, Dave saw 9 birds in the mango tree and 7 of the birds flew away. How many birds are stay in the tree? So that's all. It is only 3 questions, so please collaborate each other, kids. And I hope that you learn something about our discussion. So thank you.